toolbar wanted to compare the noise generated by the new torque with that of the traditional impact wrench. The consultant checked the noise levels of each tool, measuring at the vulnerable position close to the operator's ears. Noise level affects the operator as well as everybody else in the vicinity. European legislation defines the daily personal exposure level for noise. From 2006, the defined action levels are being reduced. If over 80 dBA, hearing protection must be supplied by the employer. If over 85 dBA, this protection must be worn. Exposure time compounds the problem. This table illustrates that 8 hours could be worked with a tool emitting 85 dBA or less. A typical impact wrench was measured at an average of 99 dBA, which allows only 19 minutes of continuous work. The new torque average reading was only 78 dBA, which means that a full 40 hours could be continuously worked without the compulsory use of ear defenders. It is the responsibility of the employer to eliminate noise at source or reduce it to a minimum. New torque wrenches are part of the solution.